Greetings all, and welcome to Gerontological Nursing for summer 2018. I was very happy to come in yesterday and introduce myself. I just wanted to give you a reminder of my email and my cell phone. Welcome to gerontology. The care of older adults is the fastest growing specialty in healthcare. Every day, 6,000 to 10,000 people turn 65. And this generation is going to demand excellent care. We're going to need to prepare you to provide that excellent care. This course is going to focus on the care of older adults and review the normal aging processes. We're going to discuss risk factors, and we're going to talk about those factors and how they relate to the health and functioning of older adults. You should know that I love teaching gerontology. It is a wonderful specialty, and I love the concept of lifting up the differences between the care of this population and the population at large. Please take the time to review my syllabus. We'll be meeting online 4 times, we'll be meeting in person 4 times and online weekly. I'll be coming to campus on June 14th for our first meeting. And we're going to meet from 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. And I will come to you. I believe you're meeting in Jeske all summer, so that's where I will come. The model for the course has assignments that consist of quizzes, forums, online modules, and we are using Shadow Health. And there is directions on how to use Shadow Health on the syllabus. Please note that you do not have to pay the $100 fee. Jessica Cherenegar is taking care of that for you. So everyone should be able to register using the PIN number that is located on the syllabus. We are going to do ATI. There will be 1 practice test for ATI that will open later in the summer and 1 proctored test that we'll take together on August 2nd. This evaluation grid is on your syllabus, but I wanted to include it here. It won't change. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to discuss them with you. I look forward to walking with you on your nursing educational journey. I know it's not an easy one, but it's worthwhile, and you will never, ever regret becoming a nurse. I'm excited to be a part of the process with you. Congratulations on coming to nursing school. Thank you for coming to our nursing school. And I hope that you enjoy gerontological nursing. Thank you.